You're here because something isn't right. The lights might be on, but your eyes don't feel like they're keeping up. Reading a label at night? Doesn't come easy anymore. Driving after sunset? Doesn't feel safe. And when the lights go off, that darkness doesn't fade the way it used to. Feels heavier, doesn't it? Like your eyes can't adjust anymore. This isn't just in your head. It's what happens when your eyes don't get what they're begging for at night. They're not starving for light, they're starving for the nutrients that repair and protect them while you sleep. Skip it, and your eyes can't recover. That's why you wake up with blurry, dry, or slow to adjust vision. But don't worry, it doesn't have to stay this way. There are 4 simple foods that don't let your eyes starve overnight. They're not rare. They're not expensive. And they don't need fancy diets or pills. Just everyday stuff that quietly fuels your vision while you sleep. Food number 1, boiled eggs. Don't think they're too simple. Inside the yolk are nutrients your body can't make on its own, lutein and zeaxanthin. Miss them, and your retina won't get the protection it needs. Skip them, and your night vision doesn't stand a chance. And here's something most people don't realize: vitamin A. Without it, your eyes don't convert light into signals. That means no sharp vision in low light. Ever struggled with glaring headlights? Or couldn't adjust when the room went dark? That's what a lack of vitamin A looks like. Don't ignore it. Just 1 boiled egg can quietly feed your eyes before bed. No pills, no complicated prep. Ignore it, and you're letting your vision fade faster than it should. Food number 2, Greek yogurt. Don't dismiss it as just a trend. It's packed with slow-digesting protein that keeps the tiny muscles in your eyes fed all night. Without those amino acids, your eyes don't adjust, don't focus, and don't recover while you sleep. Greek yogurt also carries zinc. Without it, vitamin A doesn't even reach your retina. No zinc, no delivery. No delivery, no vision. Simple as that. Don't load it with sugar. A small plain bowl, maybe with cinnamon or berries, about an hour before bed, that's all it takes. Skip it, and you're letting those eye muscles go hungry overnight. Food number 3, cottage cheese. Don't laugh it off as old-fashioned. This food works harder at night than most people realize. Packed with slow-digesting casein protein, it keeps your eyes from breaking down while you sleep. Without it, your retina can't keep up with the stress of aging. And here's the bonus: tryptophan. Ignore it, and you're missing out on serotonin and melatonin, the chemicals that pull you into deep, healing sleep. Shallow sleep means your eyes don't flush waste, don't repair tissues, and don't recover. Just a few spoonfuls before bed is enough. Don't overload it. Don't add junk. Keep it simple, and your eyes will thank you. Ignore it, and you'll keep waking up with tired, irritated vision. Food number 4, tofu. Don't underestimate this one. No eggs, no dairy, just plant-based power. Tofu carries isoflavones, antioxidants that fight inflammation in your eyes. Skip it, and oxidative stress wins. That's how cataracts and macular degeneration creep in. It's also loaded with calcium, iron, and omega-3s. Without those, blood flow weakens, eyes dry out, and the delicate surface of your eyes suffers overnight. Tofu doesn't bloat, doesn't upset digestion, doesn't keep you awake. It's light, neutral, and works in endless recipes. Ignore it, and you're denying your eyes one of the cleanest sources of repair they could get at night. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need all 4 every night. You don't need strict rules. Just pick one: egg, yogurt, cottage cheese, or tofu, and eat it about 45 minutes before bed. Don't pair it with sugar, heavy carbs, or caffeine. That only ruins the effect. A little cinnamon, flaxseed, or fruit is enough. And don't quit after a day or 2. Vision loss doesn't show up overnight, and neither does recovery. Consistency is the only way this works. Watch for the small wins. Don't expect crystal clear eyesight tomorrow. But over weeks, you'll notice less blur at night, less squinting at clocks, less dryness in the morning. Skip it, and nothing changes. Stick with it, and your eyes quietly thank you. Don't tell yourself it's too late. Don't believe that vision loss is inevitable. You're not too old, and you haven't missed your chance. Your eyes aren't just windows, they're mirrors of how you treat yourself. Every small choice matters. 1 boiled egg. 1 spoon of yogurt. 1 bowl of cottage cheese. A few cubes of tofu. Each one says you're not giving up on your sight. Don't let your eyes starve tonight. They've worked too hard for you your whole life to be ignored now.